So we're looking at another no tool headrail or another no drill headrail. This one came with some metal shims. So these are pretty cool. There's adhesive on the back, and then they have these little shelves here that stick out just a little bit. You can see there. And when you attach these in your window, it really adds a lot of strength to mounting this No Tools headrail. So let me just show you. I've got the shim in place. I have it just stuck in there with the double-sided tape that came with it. And then I'll get my No Tool headrail in position. I'll just lock it in place. There we go. And then you'll see what this does is basically makes it so that if there's any down force at all on the No Tools headrail, that the rubber boots here on the end rest on the shelf of the shim, makes it way stronger if you use these shims. It's also really good for if you have like a little bit of a slicker paint inside your window, like a semi-gloss. This can help make sure that the rubber doesn't actually just slip on the semi-gloss or something like that. And then this can also be used for products that have the no drill blinds or the no tool headrail integrated into them, like this Roman shade. So you can't see, but right under there, there it is. There's the no tool headrail hidden inside the headrail.